my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back. So today's unit was sent to me by Divas. So thank you for kindly sending me this unit. This is an Outre unit. It's from their Melted Hairline collection. It's a lace front wig. It's a frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. Redesign, comfort, ear to ear contour. And I got it in the style MANUELLA in the color DRFF Caramel Mocha. So the application process for this unit, you guys, was very easy. I just put on some foundation underneath and that was pretty much it. I would suggest gluing this unit down. Because the lace goes from ear to ear, the combs aren't really able to make it tight and secure and fit. So I would definitely say you would have to glue this unit down. You can also use some eyeshadow that's the same color of the roots and just go in along the hairline that way. That's another trick that I usually use to just make it an effortless blend. I feel like this unit, you have to just glue it down, otherwise it's going to be flapping in the wind. This unit does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and it is big head friendly. So all my big head girls out there, you will definitely be appreciative of this unit. This unit tangled so freaking much. And this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. This hair is so pretty, and this is what the back of the stock card is looking like. It does come in some specialty colors, and this is the middle of the stock card. So there are a lot of things going on with this unit, you guys. It's from their Melted Hairline series. It lets you show off those edges. Go ahead and slick your hair back and tuck it behind your ear and swoop it with a natural looking baby hair. Melted Hairline has ear-to-ear soft HD transparent lace, a pre-attached elastic band to ensure a secure lift-free fit, and is pre-plucked to create a natural finish that melts right on your hairline. As a soft HD transparent lace, a 5-inch deep parting space, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached elastic band for a secure fit, natural baby hairs, redesigned comfort ear contour. Your girl is happy because I didn't have to glue anything down. Now I will say, if you want to wear your hair up, I would strongly suggest gluing it down, but for the sake of this video, y'all, and look at these baby hairs and sideburns, like it just looks so natural. Whoops. It just looks so natural and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I will say that when I first took this unit out the package, it was a little tangled. Like it's tangling, y'all. Like definitely tangling already, and there's a decent amount of shedding, so just keep that in mind. I'm wondering if it's like the hair texture. It's not, it's like, okay, so it's not like a silky texture, but it's a little on the dry side. It's not necessarily yucky, but it's like a silky dry, if that makes sense. Yeah, the stock card doesn't say anything about the actual hair. It just says heat resistant fiber, heat safe up to 400 degrees. It doesn't say like the actual texture of the hair, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, it's like a silky dry, maybe because it's the coloring. You know, usually like bleach dries it out a little bit more, so keep that in mind. But I am loving this length. Usually their stock cards have the length on it, so yes, sorry you guys, I'm 5'7" and it comes down to my waist, so just keep that in mind. Maybe 26 inches, 30, I'm not sure. This unit does range on Divas' website for $60. The link is in the description box below. But this unit is a hit turner. I'm loving the highlights, I'm loving the face frame, I'm loving the coloring. Like, it's very pretty, and Outre always does an amazing job coloring their units. Even down to the ends, they're lighter than the roots. So I am loving this. I'm loving this so much. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. This unit is so freaking pretty. The link is in the description box below. Make sure you guys check them out on Divas. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.